Hey everybody, I'm Alexis Meeks.
And I'm your host, Jim Cardinal. Happy Mortgage Monday.
So this week, Jim's going to walk us through some mortgage insurance and some aspects of that.
Yeah, Alexis. I mean, this day and age, there's so many different mortgage options out there, which is a good thing. As FHA tightens up, having plenty of conventional mortgage insurance products out there is really going to help our business. So this week, I really wanted to just kind of touch upon those, kind of show what the options are out there in the marketplace, and really just go through a scenario and show those numbers. Okay, Alexis, here's the numbers that I wanted to show everyone. I did a purchase price here of $250,000 with 10% down for the three different scenarios of mortgage insurance or no mortgage insurance as we go through it. And the first one is the traditional monthly mortgage insurance. Again, 10% down at a 3.5% rate. Payment is $1,010, principal and interest, and the mortgage insurance is $91.88. Again, that's the typical mortgage insurance model where it's a monthly mortgage insurance. Okay. The next one I did is I wanted to do a scenario with Trustco. I mean, Trustco is certainly a player in our marketplace, and I wanted just to show those numbers because they do have that 10% down, no MI program. The current rate on their program, though, right now is 3.99. So if you did, again, that same purchase price, $250,000, 10% down at $399, the payment is $1,072.89. Again, we don't show the taxes in escrow. Of course, Trustco doesn't do that. I think a lot of clients like escrow payments, but again, they don't show those. They don't do those, but certainly clients have to allocate that taxes and insurance into their monthly budget because it is going to be coming up. So again, the payment on that one is $1,072.89. Now, in this third scenario, I did a financed mortgage insurance, which is something a little bit different. It's been out here for a while. I've used it often, but I really showed it a lot to agents, and I wanted to take this time to do that. Again, $250 purchase price. We have a base loan amount. This is similar to FHA, where there's a base loan amount, again, of $225,000. But because the mortgage insurance is financed in the amount of this amount was $2295, they are actually financing $227,295. Now they're going to finance that one time, and they're not going to pay mortgage insurance again. It's actually not coming out of their pocket. And the payment is $1,020.66, which is the lowest of the three payments. Now, I don't think it's always the right scenario for everyone, but I certainly think that that's a really good option for a lot of different people.
So that's great, Jim. You've given us three different scenarios of dealing with the necessary evil of mortgage insurance, which a lot of people I know aren't, thrilled about paying. What would you recommend out of those as far as your best option?
Well, great question, Alexis. I think it varies from client to client. I mean, I know a lot of people hate that monthly mortgage insurance, but if they're going to pay down aggressively on their mortgage, maybe they're only going to be paying that for less than a year. So that may be an option for somebody. But if somebody's really not going to do that, I certainly believe that finance mortgage insurance is a great option. And as much as I hate giving up business to Trustco, it's all about the numbers. Sometimes that scenario actually makes sense for the client, and I'll tell them, I think it just makes sense for you to go there. But the way the current market is right now, I think that finance mortgage insurance is certainly a good option. So just wanted to show you guys, there's so many different ways to do that. I think it works. The finance mortgage insurance works really well with the 10% down program. We do some of it with the 5% down. But the monthly works out typically a little bit better in those scenarios, but it's all about the numbers. You know that better than I do. So this week, if you're out there talking to first-time home buyers, FHA, VA, USDA, or someone putting 10% down and want to look at some options as far as mortgage insurance, think of me, Jim Cardinal, 281-0077. Make it a great week, and we will talk to you soon.